Creator up VPN tier list.
Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Thomas Spark. Welcome back to another video. As you guys might know, I'm the VPN guy here on YouTube. I've rated pretty much every single VPN, which you can find at vpntierlist.com. Go ahead and check out that website if you haven't picked a VPN already. Today, we're going to be seeing if one of the use cases for VPN is actually true. Now, this is something I've kind of wondered a long time. I've done some various tests over the years, but never came to any serious conclusions. Now I decided to do a little bit more work and investigation into the matter, checking out various flights and things like that to see if I can actually get a cheaper price with a VPN. So that's what we're going to be discussing today to help you guys decide if it's really worth doing, maybe even buying a VPN to just save some money on flights. So we're going to be testing that out today in this video. Today we're going to be using our top rated VPN, which is NordVPN right now. It's our #1 rated VPN according to our objective data-driven analysis from all the different features VPNs offer. I'll be putting a link for Nord in the description down below. Should get you 3 free months with their service. However, I am not sponsored by NordVPN for this video. It's just my #1 rated option right now. So you can use that one, or I would recommend any other one from A tier. Are you guys ever worried about getting doxxed? I know I am, and that's why I use a service like Incogni to make sure no one could find my IRL information if they find my name. A service like Incogni goes through all the available data brokers out there like White Pages and these different websites. It will tell these websites to remove your information and it saves you tons of time. Use my link in the description down below to get 50% off Incogni as you see here on this website to get this deal. This is my top rated data broker removal tool. It's around half the price of competing services like Delete Me and it has a better interface to boot. So thanks for checking out this one and let's get back to the video. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and discuss how I did some of this analysis. So, well, the first thing I basically did was I kind of looked into, how do you get the cheapest flights with a VPN? There's a couple different tricks. Well, one is you kind of want to abolish cookies. So maybe using a browser you don't usually use. That's one thing you could check out. So I used Edge in my circumstance. Another thing is you want to connect to a VPN from a country that is generally has lower currency value or lower wages. So I knew that Pakistan was one of these countries, or maybe something like India would also be a good one to try. So what I basically did, the first thing I did was just see how much it would cost without a VPN. So basically what I did is I found this flight on May 23rd to the 24th, going from LAX to JFK. So according to Alaska Airlines, it was around $960, which is pretty expensive. And then I wanted to see, what it would be like when I connected to a VPN. So basically what I did find is that the price was actually the same. When connecting to Alaska Airlines, the prices were exactly the same. It seemed like they had kind of figured out how to not change prices based on location or something like that. Maybe because people are using VPNs for this very purpose. So guys, I'll be real with you. The first time I was working on this video, I actually thought that I saw a flight for around $823, and this was without the VPN on with Google Flights. And I connected to the VPN with a Pakistan server, and then I saw a dramatic reduction, and then I saw that it was 672 euros, and I was like, holy crap. If I convert euros to USD, that actually saves a lot of money. However, I actually found out from a user on my channel that is the symbol for pound. And if you convert 672 British pounds to USD, it's roughly the same amount of money as without a VPN. Now, I've also tried a couple other websites, but everything I seemed to find, even when connected to various servers, was all within the $800 to $900 range, which is pretty much what it was without a VPN. So in conclusion, does using a VPN to get cheaper flights really work? Well, I actually did think so, and I posted this video thinking that it did, but one of the comments said that I had confused euros with the British pounds. It's easy to understand how I made that mistake since I'm not British, and I don't travel a ton, and I kind of hate looking at airline flights, to be honest, which made it kind of tricky to make this video. But I did want to make this video to help you guys out to see if it was worth buying a VPN for this reason. Outside of that mistake, it seems to be that If you converted it from British pounds to USD, like I said before, there really wasn't much of a difference. So I don't think it really is worth buying a VPN to get cheaper flights. Not to say that VPNs don't have other use cases like torrenting and anonymizing your IP, unblocking geo restrictions, and having more anonymity and privacy at large. But for this specific use case, I'm going to be honest with you guys and say no. I don't think VPNs really can get you cheaper flights, at least in the United States, or some of the flights that I've been looking at. Maybe it's different if you look at a specific flight from a specific other countries. Maybe if you're connecting from their servers in Thailand or something, or comparing it from getting a flight from the United States to there. There's so many different variables and stuff that can be tested, but are hard to do in one entire video that wouldn't be an hour long. But at least in my test here on this channel with a couple I've done, and over the years, I've kind of not been able to get this to work. So let me know down in the comments down below if you have a different experience. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon.